Hello, hello, and welcome, welcome, welcome. Uh, this is another update of the trying to grow this account, to from a $250 to a substantial amount in 12 months. All right. So this is what we are trying to achieve in 12 months time. All right. So we'll see how possible this is to grow this account listen this, very conservatively, low risk, expecting high rewards trading opportunities. All right. So we started in July with $250. Now at the end of August we were at $510. Now September came in, and oh my goodness, today is what's today's date? September 4th, and my goodness, since September came in, it has been nothing short of the most volatile market I have seen in months. Everything just went against our original long-term direction. Everything. When I say everything, I mean all the pairs went against the long-term trend. What did we do? That didn't deter us. All right. We kept on holding our positions because our strategy that has been proven, rule-based, tested, did not give us a reason to exit the trades. All right. So we are still, most of our trades, or some of our trades rather, are still in a drawdown. And we hope to see those come back in profit very soon. All right, so this is where we are. We have a lot of buy trades in the market, a lot of buy trades. And we see that the AUD pairs, they just tanked in the past few days. We still have a bullish bias on these pairs. They haven't switched as yet. They are still bullish, but it's just experiencing a drawdown as we speak. Canadian, Swiss, still holding that. Canadian JPY, we're still holding all our trades, rather, all our trades, but some are in drawdown. Our biggest drawdown was GBP USD, where the peak for August was with this size that we're trading, the peak was $85. All right. And the very same day I took this other position, the one that is in the negative now, it went totally against our position, against the long-term direction. All right. But no need to panic. It's not the end of the world. We just keep holding until we get a reason to switch position, but for now it's still bullish. All right. USD, oh my goodness, USD tried to make a recovery for the past few days, but knowing the economy of the United States at the moment, knowing the outlook of the dollar index and the dollar itself, it's still bearish. It's still bearish as per our strategies indications that it will have a bit more downside. All right. So we are still holding these trades. Still holding. I don't know why my profit is not showing at the top right up there at it where it says trade. Normally the running profit would be showing there, but I don't know, something is going on with my MT. This is MetaTrader 5. This is MetaTrader 5, so it's not showing the profits that we're currently at. But right now we are at, well, our peak for August was from 250, we went up to $600. $600, and our trough as of today was $240. So from a peak of $600 to a trough, meaning a drawdown of the lowest that the account went was $240. We did not panic. The other members in the group, I told them to keep holding because nothing has switched. It's just a drawdown. It's just a phase in the market. And if you want to learn this stuff, you can connect with us. I still have a few more free spaces in the group. Still a bit more free spaces. I am closing the group at 30 people that I'm giving free signals. 30 people. We still have, I think, 20, no, no, 10, 11 spaces. I think I have 11 free spaces left. You can join the group and benefit from free signals. Or if the spaces are already full, I will leave a discount code for the 1 month trial. The 1 month trial is $8.99, but if you are watching this video, I'm going to ask you to subscribe and use the discount link as a gift for your subscription. I'm going to give you the $8.99 trial for a discount of maybe $4 for the month. As you can see, that one of these trades can pay you back over and over again. Look at GBP USD. That's like $72 now. Imagine paying $4 and you get all these signals. Imagine paying $4. All right, and you get all these signals to place in your account for 1 month. All right, I'll give a discount code in the description below this video, and you can get these signals for $4 just for 1 month. After that, if you like the signals, then you can upgrade to the premium signals group, which is $24.99, I think. Whatever, I'll leave a link to that also. I don't remember off the top of my head. All right, so yeah, the account is growing. We are currently now at 300 and I think $50 back from the 240. We're back at 350 and we're coming back into a profit phase. So the profits are going to explode now up for an upside of this month. We hope to reach $1,000, and next month we hope to reach from 1,000 to 2,000. So that's what we're doing. We started with 250, so we're going to 500 in the first month, then second month from 500 to 1,000, and from 1,000 to 2,000, and from 2,000 to 4,000 each month. So you can join the signals group. You will get the signals PDF. All right, let me show you the signals PDF that you will be getting. All right, this is the signals. Yeah, this was for the 2nd of September, and those are all the rules and everything like that. I will explain more when you join. All right, and these are the signals. Some of these are still running, and I mean I update these signals every single day. So don't just enter in these signals. You're watching the video, you might be a little bit late watching this video. Some are still running, some have switched since then. So this is what you will be getting. All the red ones are sell trades, and all the Green ones are buy trades, and all the black ones are the ones that if you're holding, you might be making some profit, you might be making a loss. All right, that doesn't mean that if you're holding the red, you won't be making a loss until it becomes a profit phase. Or you holding a green, you might not be making a loss. Again, it's not a loss until you close it. All right, so you might be in drawdown even though you're holding a red or a green signal. But this is what you'll be getting if you join the 899 signals group for that's one of my members giving me a thumbs up. Yeah. All right, so you not only get signals, you'll get like a little educational stuff now and then. All right, so I will teach you stuff how to hold your trades. I'll be making videos like these on a daily basis, telling you if you should close, what is happening in market fundamentally, technically. And here we have the major news for the week. Today was CAD employment change, non-farm payroll. Those we saw they made a little dent in the market, but again, as I told the group members, that these fundamental events, they are just for the now. They're just for the moment. And then the trend will eventually come back in the long-term direction of the market. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video, and as promised, I'll leave a link below the description of this video, and so you can go ahead and go over to the website and sign up for the $8.99 trial. You will get it for $4. All right, so wish you guys success in the market, and to join this growing these small accounts with us. If you have a small account and you want to grow it conservatively, it's not a get rich quick, guys. If you want to scalp the market, if you want to get rich quick, if you want to turn your 250 or your $100 into 10,000 in a week, it's not for you. It's not for you. All right, so all the best in the market, and looking forward to seeing you trading with us. All right, bye bye.